Hello, welcome to another vlog. This time we have cooking vlog. It's very early morning, but this you probably see. I woke up especially to make the dough for pączki, the Polish donuts, because today we have tłusty czwartek, means Fatty Thursday, and it's a holiday when everybody in Poland eating especially this dessert. So it's no time to waste, let's start. In the first step, we have to prepare the yeasts. So, to empty bowl, we're adding half a cube of the fresh yeasts and 2 teaspoons of sugar. Now, we need to crush the yeasts so the sugar will touch every surface. Just like this. Now you have to leave them on a side and you will see the magic. All the ingredients and the measurements you will have in the description. This is the magic about what I was talking about. The yeast became liquid. Meanwhile, I heated the milk. It's not hot, but it's warm. Let's put the yeast and 3 spoons of flour. Mix it. Now when it's mixed, leave it on a side for like 15 minutes. Meanwhile, our yeasts are growing. We can mix yolks, egg yolks, with the sugar to make a foam. Let's put the yolks in a bowl and 3 spoons of sugar. So the small one will be like 6. The foam is supposed to look like this. It's supposed to be fluffy, sticky, and the color should be something like this. Let's say something between yellow and beige. I think our yeasts are ready. Ooh! To be sure that you have good yeast, they're supposed to grow and create many bubbles like this. Now we have to combine all the ingredients and knead the dough so it will be very stretchy and nicely soft. And 40 milliliters of vodka. The role of the vodka in the dough, it's not to create some extra flavor. It's supposed to give some extra ability to the dough. So the dough is not gonna absorb so much oil during in the time when we will fry them. So let's add the flour now and a pinch of salt. After 3 minutes, the dough is supposed to be ready. Even after combining all the ingredients and kneading the dough for 3 minutes, the dough still will be sticky, and it's how it's supposed to be. So now we have to leave it in 1 hour in some warm place, so it will double the volume. Also, we don't want to make some dry layer on the top, so I suggest to cover it with some stretchy foil in a blanket. After 1 hour, I'm back and let's check the dough. Ooh! It's definitely ready. Now we have to knead it again, but it's a bit sticky, so we need more flour. A bit more flour on the top. This process should take like around 2 minutes. Now when the dough is ready, we need to make it flat. It should be like 2 centimeters wide. When the dough looks like this, now it's the time to take the glass or some cutting ring and cut our pączki, so donuts. They need half more hour to grow, so you can prepare some baking paper and leave them for this half hour. When our pączki are growing, we can prepare oil for the frying. For the filling, I prepared Biscoff cream, which is so good. So good. Totally worth it. The recipe will be in the description, but of course you can use whatever you like. Can be Nutella, can be some chocolate, can be some jam, some fruit jam. It's totally depends on you. And to save some time when the pączki are growing, I can put the cream here, so it will be ready for stuffing them. And meanwhile I'm preparing the stuffing process, you can already heat the oil. Now I will tell you some trick to check if oil is hot enough to fry the pączki. I left some leftover dough, and I will put it, and if you will see the bubbles around very fast, it means it's hot enough and we can start frying them. Now when I throw it, you don't see any bubbles, so the oil is still not hot. I have to wait a few more minutes. Let's check the pączki. They are so ready, so ready. So only oil is stopping us to continue. Okay, our small donuts start to fry, so soon we can put our real pączki. I think 5 are enough, because if you will put too much, the oil will get cold again, and they're not gonna fry that good as we want. I prepared also the plates with the paper, so the oil which will be on them can soak in it, so they're not gonna be too fatty. When the color of the pączki are like this from both of the sides, they are ready, so we can put them on this paper. Wow, this is perfect. The line, what you see here, it's what we want to, what we expecting. But I know the shape of them are not the roundest as it can be, so not all of them will be so nice. A very important thing during the process of making pączki, it's that when you fry them and they are still warm, then you have to stuff them. When they will be cold, the dough, it's not gonna be so stretchy, so you're not gonna put the cream, because the dough will give you some resistance. And now when it's soft and warm, you can push the cream and you can fill them even more. And this we like. First of all, I don't have very professional syringe. I have some, let's say, filling bag. So I have a straw. I will make the hole. Will try to push the dough to the edges. So also I will create some empty place where we can put even more filling. I'm not the professional pączki maker because it's my second time. So if I will make some mistakes or it's not gonna look so good, it's because of this. Even when they're not gonna look so good, I can swear that they will be very tasty. Okay, and let's stuff them. And stuffing that much cream as you like. One side, you can push the other side. They cannot be empty. And now they will be ready for decorating. All the pączki are finally stuffed, and I'm not gonna tell you it's easy job, because it's not, especially when you don't have the professional syringe and the cream is very dense. And also if you wanna put so much in every of them. But I managed. Now I'm melting white chocolate for the decoration, and I prepared some lotus cookies, Biscoff. I crushed them, so it will be Biscoff filling with Biscoff crunch. What do you think about it? Because last year I was obsessed with pistachios, and I made them the same way like this. So same dough, same filling, but I changed the Biscoff cream for pistachio cream, and I used also white chocolate, and I covered them with crushed pistachios. So I know they will be good, but I still don't know if they will be better than the pistachio ones. Okay, the chocolate is ready. So let's do it. So finally I would be able to try them. Tell me they don't look so cute, like from some professional pączki place. So nice. that's how they look like. Okay, to be honest, I can tell you, beside the shape of them, they look like they're from some professional Pączki place. Okay, time for the taste test. And what we have is Pączek Biscoff with white chocolate and Biscoff cookies. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Did you see the cream? This is what I was talking about. Also, it's very fresh and the cream went out from the hole where I stuffed, but it's not a problem.